Hello guys, how are you? My name is Suhail. Welcome a new member and my channel. Please subscribe and like this video. This video is related technology. This video is very interesting and don't waste the time and let's start the video. My topic is using internet technology by Madiha Khadim. Website. A site of area on the www or World Wide Web that is accessed by sites on internet address in a called website. It can be a collection of related web pages. Each website contain a home page and may also contain conditional pages. It is owned and updated by an individual, company, and organization. The web is a dynamically moving and changing entity. Many websites changing on a daily or even hourly basis. Example: web page. A web page is as one area of our www websites or documents on the web is a page. It can be an article and ordering page is a signal graphic and usually combination of text and graphics. Home page. It is the web page that your browser uses when it's started and also the web page that appears every time you open your browser. It also refers to the main web page of the collection of web pages. Title bar. This blue bar that contains the name of the websites in called the title bar. The title bar will serve as a trusty ensure always letting you know where you are by sharing the little title of the websites you are the visiting. The bar does not take you anywhere but is always lets you know where you are. Menu bar. The menu bar is a very useful tool when trying to make your way around website because the menu bar offers so many helpful functions. The quick queries, the master file edit, view favorites tools and help the betters. Addresses bar. URL uniform resource locators. The locators box or address box of our web page. Each web page has a unique address called uniform resource locators or URL. The URL is the specific address of a web page. The URL of web address is typically composed of four parts. A protocol name. A protocol is a set of rules and standards that enables computers to enhancing exchange information. The location of the site. Continue. The name of the organization that maintains the sites, a suffix that identifies the kinds of organization it is, for example the address. Come the made of the following areas: hyperts, transfer protocols. This is the most common protocol on the internet. www. This site is on the World Wide Web. This is a common extensions. Some common extensions are domain or extensions. Extensions commercial, net network, org educations organizations, edu educations, gov government, mil military, int international treaty, info information, buys business, name pro professionals, mobile, tv, commonly used for entertain actually mean the country of our travel. Co commonly used or company actual me and country of a combine. Web sources opening websites www.google.com. Select the website, start the web browser, click the place your courses in address or location bar and type the website address or keywords for the information you want. Press the enter key. List of website will appear. Click on website that interesting you. Networking, video conferencing, interactive TV programs, virtual simulation systems, high performance computing networks, spared communications, simulations, sending and receiving emails, downloading files, downloading an image, downloading documents, downloading a sound or music files, downloading video files, downloading files. For downloading an image, scroll through the website page you just want to select. Download an image or picture, open the image, click on save. And thanks this watching video. Thank you so much.